I really like the Credit Matters conference so far. I got to know a lot of people in the order-to-cash credit industry, not just for networking purposes, but actually to learn about their problems, issues, challenges. The other thing I really like about these conferences is seeing vendors' solutions. I really like the voice analytics solution by DataPack. I really like the AtRadius presentation, the high radius offerings. Great. So far so good. I'm very happy with the conference. The inventory app is really useful for voting questions, for surveys, providing feedback to the presenters, to see the agenda, what's happening when. So yeah, I'm actually excited to the gala dinner, the award ceremony.